So here is the moral lesson we have got. After this, I am just going through this. Suma and her friends were preparing for their annual examination. The manager of the school expired unexpectedly due to heart attack on the previous day of maths exam. It was a sudden death. So the management decided to postpone the examination to the last day of the month. There are two other high schools in the village. They conducted the examination as per the timetable. The students of Suma's school got the question paper of that examination from other schools and started studying. Suma asked her papa to get the question paper from his friend's son. Papa agreed. Next day, Papa called her by his side, showed the question paper and said, "If you study this question paper, you will get full marks in mathematics, but your papa will not be happy at all. If you study honestly, without the help of these questions, and even if you fail in the examination, I will not feel bad." Saying this, he offered the question paper to her. Her mother, who heard this, also supported his view. Suma was in dilemma. After thinking for a while, she said, "No, Papa, I don't want it. Please give it back." Hearing her firm answer, her parents embraced her. On the day of examination, when she reached the hall, all the students showed her the question paper, but tactfully she avoided them. Having observed all that happened, Priya, her best friend, went near and inquired the reason. Suma told her all that had happened at home. Priya showed the question paper and said, "See, your papa and mama are not here. They will not come to know also." In spite of all her compulsion, Suma did not yield. She trusted her parents rather than her friends. It is a very common feature among teenagers that they trust their friends more than their parents. The influence of peer groups has misguided many students. Many friendships which are against the will of parents end up in a disaster. So let us pay heed to the words of our parents. So here one more moral lesson is there for you. There are many students who are not obeying their parents. They are doing friendship with those persons to whom their parents are not willing to do. Like there are many friends our parents are not willing for us to have friendship with them, but we are going against their will and doing friendship with them. But in the future you can see that friendship will come to a disaster. It will come to an end, making you repent for it. So you should avoid those friendships where your parents are against, and always follow the instruction of your parents. Respect them, love them. Thank you.